Hey guys, this is the Epic Gamer Boy 2 here. Welcome back to another video. Today we have a Rubik's Cube here, and today we're gonna be showing you how to cheat a Rubik's Cube. So basically, a Rubik's Cube is basically um, like every side has like each color and stuff, and you have to like solve it to get all the colors into one. So that's how you do it. So I'm gonna take this apart so I can show you how I can. Well, the this is the 3x3 one, so it should be a bit easier. So this is what it looks like after being taken apart. It almost looks like a fidget spinner, but it's not. So here's what you need to do. So you need to match it to the same spot. It's really easy to put it back together as well. Yeah, you can see there. Dang it. Oh yeah, it could be hard sometimes. But you just have to try. Okay. Also, the thing you need not to do is to get confused or lose the part, because then that'll not be good. Let's see here. I think, oh yeah, we're missing one more piece. Oh yeah, there it is. So this is what it looks like after being put in back. So this is the first layer. Now I'm gonna do the top layer. Uh-oh, it's coming loose again. There. And let's see what's next. Oh yeah, this thing. Oh yeah, then next thing you have to put this here. It's kind of difficult. Okay, I hope this doesn't come apart again. All right, so that's the top part done. Now the last part. Now I'm gonna do the last part. So yeah. I believe this is how you do it. Oh yeah, now what we have to do is we have to do the corner next. Since we did that. It's not that hard. And alright guys, so so this is the last piece right here. Like all I gotta do is to, and there you go, the Rubik's Cube is now done. Look at that. It looks really nice. And you can, yeah. So I put it all back together and this is what it looks like. Looks nice. So anyway guys, so this is how you cheat a Rubik's Cube. So hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.